definitely a cool experience, guys. You should definitely come here and check this out. Morning, everybody.
Morning.
So we have come only about 15 minutes away from our Airbnb this morning to the Lost Gardens of Heligan. I hope I'm saying that right. But it is one of the most popular gardens in the UK to visit.
Yeah, it's a 19th century garden built in like a garden-esque style. That means they have different sections, so we'll have a jungle, there's an Italian garden, walled garden, kitchen garden. So we can't wait to explore it. It's like 200 acres of garden to explore.
And the reason for the name Lost Gardens of Heligan, we think, is because before World War I it was managed by about 22 gardeners. Then during the war, unfortunately, a lot of them perished. And after the war, then it was left to about 8 gardeners to try to manage the gardens. And unfortunately, due to that, it fell into disrepair and became lost. And only in the 1990s did it then get rediscovered and is now open as a tourist attraction and managed by a trust who maintain the gardens.
Which is pretty cool, and it became a pretty popular attraction. Like you said, it's probably England's most popular gardens to visit.
So we've come down to the jungle area of the gardens first.
Oh, I'm in absolutely love with it.
It's absolutely
so
gorgeous here. You could be anywhere in the world, really.
Yeah.
We're trying to find one of the highlights of this area, which is the Burma rope bridge that goes across the valley here down in the jungle. Let's keep our fingers crossed we can find it.
How was that?
It's definitely a cool experience, guys. You should definitely come here and check this out. So we're just heading up to the walled gardens now, which is the one area we haven't explored yet. But just by walking around, we definitely recommend coming in the springtime or the autumn maybe.
Maybe autumn, I'm sure that will be pretty too. But definitely spring if you want to see the bluebells and all the flowers out.
So this is Europe's only remaining pineapple pit. So it's the only place within Europe that pineapples can grow.
Okay, so we've just finished exploring Heligan Gardens, and what do you reckon? Do you think it's worth £17.50?
I think if you come the right season, if you come May or maybe autumn, I think it's definitely worth paying that much. If you come in the off season, I'm not sure because the trees might be a bit bare. So
Yeah,
just bear that in mind.
Yeah, the fact that all the flowers were out and it was absolutely gorgeous all the way around. Everything was blooming, really made the difference. And yeah, I think just about made it worth the price.
My favourite part was definitely the jungle and the bridge.
So we've left Heligan Gardens now. We've driven about 30 minutes down the coast to the small town of Fowey, which has a strange spelling. I'll pop it on the screen, but it does not sound how it's spelled. So we're just going to explore the little town. It's supposed to be one of the most picturesque towns on the Cornish coast. Yeah, let's go and have a look. Okay, so we've just finished exploring Fowey. Really beautiful little town. Definitely recommend coming. Now we're going to head back to our Airbnb and get ready for our big drive back up north tomorrow.
Yeah, because this was our last day on our Cornish adventure and we really loved it, and we'll probably be back pretty soon because there's loads of places to explore here.
Yeah, we definitely didn't have enough time in a week.
Yeah,
I don't think.
no.
Yeah, we'll be returning back up north. Going to be heading back out into the Peak District again soon. So if you enjoyed this series and you want to see some more, then consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and we will see you on our next adventure, wherever that may be.
Bye.
Bye.